Hi Gemini, this is your August month reading where I see the stable horse but a slow movement and you're moving forward. There was a lot of conflicts between or surrounding you, between your family or surrounding around you or something like that. Maybe you're trying to detach from it or moving from it, and I see a lot of financial security or owning yourself, and there is an intellectual conflict also for few people fighting with your inner conflicts which are no not worthy for you. Maybe it's not giving you any advantages, keeping the things in your head or in your heart. So you're trying to have an intellectual conflict inside you with your own way of thoughts. Maybe I see one thing is what I see like the thing is you are in touch with your emotions. Maybe that is making you strong. So you're moving to a strong grounded life, like you're learning things maybe in relationship or family connections. Maybe there is a lot of transparent visibility, like you're seeing transparent energies or transparent behaviors, whatever the personalities around you. Everything you're seeing in a clear way which is very transparent to you right now, so you're unable to decide anything or you're unable to um, conclude anything. You're just waiting in a patience, like silent way. Um, the thing is only moving slow. Like okay, however, you can't judge the things. Moving slow. I see. Uh, like emotions are there, so you can't. You can't move very soon, like your heart holds very deep wisdom which is love. So I you use it to lead your life. Actually, that is the main thing for each individuals, which is love. It actually gives lot of energy when you hear about it, or maybe if you have experienced in a bad way or negative things happen in your life, maybe you don't like the word or you hate some people talking about that. I see that also, but which is very slow for your family life. Maybe you're thinking slowly and moving forward for the family life in a good family life, how it should be. Like you're planning for all those things in a slow manner, you're following it. Maybe in relationship it is not so easy having a responsibility and having a family or leading the life with wife, kids and parents together. Maybe that is one thing where uh, you want to create a balanced life. Maybe your life allows you, if you allow yourself to have it the best, it will happen to you. So you need to take balance for that. There are many aspects of self juggling. I see a lot of juggling obligations, equilibrium, and seeking harmony also. So what all the roles and responsibilities that you have been juggling, you may be feeling little imbalanced, but maybe your calendar is totally overbooked. Okay, you're feeling the stress of being stretched, but too many directions you may be feeling, but need to rest little bit and balance. Dualities is enough, not more than that, or opposing aspects of your life, like your time alone versus your time with others, your material life versus your spiritual life. Something I mean to tell. Just make sure you aren't investigating too many resources in one area at expense of another. Okay, and especially when both are equally as important, even though this card suggests me that you are likely able to manage it all. Do you desire this too much juggling? Just think of it. Okay, This month needs some precious energies into creating a balance. You absolutely love one that will allow your time to work, play, love, and create it. Okay, thank you.